So here's our basic shop. We have a 5-ton bridge crane that we use to lift our engines and other projects that we work with. This is a fully functional facility. We use this to repair all the truck driver training trucks and trailers. We also work on some of the landscape gardening vehicles, and we also service all the generators on campus during our power generations class. We also have a fuel systems room/lab, and then behind us in this bricked off area is our engine build area. And the students tear down engines, rebuild them from bare block. And the engines that we do have that are runners, we run them. Sometimes if we can, we'll try to put them on the dyno to prove that they built the engine correctly. Generally in this area that we build 5 engines at a time. So we try to do as small a group as we can per engine. So that way the student gets as much hands-on time with each individual engine that we build. Generally we keep Cat, Cummins, and Detroit engines here. We do have a John Deere engine that we work on. We also cover marine systems in here, so we have a lot of marine engines, Caterpillar engines. We have Tier 4 final engines in here that were donated by Caterpillar. This facility was set up to be just like a dealership, so we have our tool room where we keep all our tools at. It's all functionally done, so where the students can come in here and grab the tools. Each cabinet's labeled. We don't waste time searching for tools. We have a nice full-size classroom that gives us the ability to teach, and we also have a dyno room that is off the classroom. This is a Superflow Black Widow dyno. It handles engines up to 3,000 horsepower. In this room, this is where our Superflow Black Widow dyno is. It's a water brake dynamometer, and we do run this engine. It's old N14. We've done between 50 and 60 pulls with it. The students have their own lounge, so that way they can do homework and or just hang out during break. The lounge is set up just like it would be in a dealership setting, so where the technicians would go and have their break. So they got a nice facility to hang out and do their homework if need be. We have the men's locker room, and we also have a women's locker room that we have the ability for the students to have change of clothes. We also have a shower, a working shower here. So that way if they do get really dirty, they have the ability to change clothes, get cleaned up before they leave for the day.